ringing, guys. It's Carl the Ringing. While I have the time to do this YouTube shot, if you can hear, we have an old fire alarm coming from what looks like a derelict conservative club in my area of Barrow and Furness, where I got told they have a crew about a minute away, and so we're waiting for the fire service to turn up to check it out. As a fire warden, what you're supposed to do if you hear a fire alarm coming from a random building, call the fire service out to check it out, because there could actually be a real fire here. I don't know, because I don't see any smoke or anything, but it is boarded up. Let's just hope they get here fast. Yeah, at the bottom of Abbey, Barrow, this video has been located. Yeah, see what I mean, guys? Well, we just need to wait for the fire service to get here. And then then we could hopefully get this checked out. As a fire warden of many places, I know exactly what to do when situations like this happen. Alright guys, yeah, I got told they're a few minutes away, so we just need to wait till they get here, and then after they get here I'll speak to them about everything, but I'm hoping they hurry, since you can tell it's not a security alarm because that's not flashing there, so that's how you can tell. If you have swan alarms there, that means it's a security breach notice. But since we have this here, that's why we call them over. Since this is a fire alarm going off. I've still got a fire alarm video to upload from Overston, and right here's another one. But yeah, even if you're not a fire warden, everybody watching, just so you know exactly what to do, be right. If you hear a fire alarm coming from a random building like this, call the emergency services and get the fire department out to check it out. There could be a fire that we don't know of, and there's a few boarded up things, so for everybody's safety, make sure you call the fire department if you hear a fire alarm coming from a building like this. Anyways guys, since they should be closed by now, I'm going to end this video now, since the fire service should be closed by now. So I hope everybody's learned from my tips and has learned about stuff from this situation. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.